Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing both machines and starting the share. First, make sure both computers are on the same network and you've enabled network discovery and file sharing. Next, right-click the folder you want to share and open Properties, then choose Sharing and Advanced Sharing. Give the share a clear name, limit simultaneous users if needed, and click Permissions to assign read or read/write access. Once done, note the network path, since you'll use it on the other computer. Now configure access and secure the connection. Start by adjusting firewall settings to allow file and printer sharing on the host machine. Make sure the rule applies to your network profile. Then decide whether to map the share on the client. Open File Explorer, choose Map Network Drive, enter the \hostname older path, and select Reconnect at Sign In if desired. If using user authentication, enter credentials. Otherwise, use everyone with constrained permissions. Make sure permissions match your intent, read versus read/write, so files behave predictably. Finish by validating the share and handling common failures. From the client, open the map drive and create or edit a file to confirm write access, then delete a test file to verify delete writes. If you get access denied, recheck both share and NTFS permissions, confirm correct username and password, and ensure the client uses the proper workgroup or domain. If connectivity fails, restart the server or workstation services. Confirm SMB protocol.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.